11.4, question number 2. We have to change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. A notebook costs rupees P. A book costs rupees 3p. So we have to change it into the ordinary language. Okay. How we are going to do it? A notebook costs rupees P. You have to write this whole statement in your notebook also. Question statement. Write it down, children. So when you are changing into an ordinary language, what will be the answer? Can you tell me? A book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook, right? Yes, a book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook. That is the right answer. Write down the answer, children. A book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook. We have to write this statement in ordinary language. Okay? You just, as you are doing in your grammar, English grammar, what you are going to do? You are joining 2 sentences into 1 sentence. Here also we have to join these 2 sentences into 1 sentence and merge those sentences. So the first answer is a book cost 3 times. A book cost 3 times the cost of a notebook. A book cost 3 times the cost of a notebook. Second statement is Tony put Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in this box. So here Tony's box contains when you are changing these 2 statements in 1 statement, write it down. Adit, start writing beta. Tony's box contains 8 times the number of marbles. 8 times the number of marbles on the table. Tony's box contains 8 times the number of marbles on the table. Now, the third sentence is, our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. What will be the answer? Our class has n students. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. Yes, Aradhya. Unmuted.
Total number of students in the school is 20 times that of our school, our class.
That's right. Absolutely correct, Aradhya. The total number of students in the school, total number of students in the school is 20 times that of our class. Is 20 times that of our class. Indeed, Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old. And his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. Yes, Kanishka?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Jagu's uncle is 4 times older than Jaggu, and Jagu's aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle.
Very good. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times older than Jaggu. Older than Jaggu, and Jaggu's aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle. Now, the last statement, in an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. Yes, Charvi, unmuted.
The total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows.
Yes, the total number of dots in a row. Okay, the total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows. So let's do the C part is in question number 3, given Munu's age X years. Can you guess X minus 2? So what X minus 2 might be? 2 years younger. Who would be? Yes, Charvi? Younger brother or younger sister? Isn't it? So X minus 2 will be, if Munu's age, right now Munu's age, if you are Munu and taking your age, so if you are taking your age as X years, आप अभी X years के हो, you don't know your age, you have written your age is X years. Now if I say what is X minus 2? What will be X minus 2?
X minus 2 years.
X minus 2 years, what will be? If I'm saying X minus 2, what it will represent? X minus 2.
Ma'am, age.
Age of younger brother or younger sister?
Younger brother.
2 साल
Younger
छोटे थे ना,
brother.
younger brother or younger sister, you can write anything, है ना? So Munu's younger
Yes,
sister, X minus 2 represents a person whose age is 2 years younger to Munu. That is less than 2 years age. It can be your brother, it can be your sister, it can be your friend also 2 years younger. Okay? Can be
Okay,
anyone. So you can write down. X minus 2 represents a person whose age is X minus 2 years and he is 2 years younger to Munu. Here X minus 2 represents the person whose age is X minus 2 years and he is 2 years younger to Munu. Younger to Munu. This X minus 2 is representing here. Now, in the next part, they are asking that can you get x plus 4? So that means 4 years young, more than that, Monu. X plus 4 represents x plus 4. It represents x plus 4 represents whose age is 4 years. 4 years. Who is 4 years older than Monu? Who is 4 years older than? Question number 3, first part, second part. X plus 4. Okay. Next is what 3x plus 7 may show? What 3x plus 7 may show? 3x plus 7 represents 3x plus 7 represents whose? Yes Chehek. What does 3x plus 7 represents? What does this represent? 3x plus 7.
Ma'am, it represents that whose age is 3x tender to know.
Whose age is
3x
7 years more. Whose age is 7 years more than,
thrice the Munnu's age.
yes, 3 times the Munu's age. 3 times the Munu's age. Three times the Munu's age. That's correct. Now in B part, given Sarah's age today to be Y years, Sarah's age is Y years. Think of her age in the future or in the past. What will be the following expressions indicate? Here the Sarah's age is Y years. So Sarah's age after 7 years, what it will be? Yes, Aradhya, after 7 years. What will be the Sarah? Right now, Sarah's age is Y years. After 7 years, what will be her age?
Ma'am, Sarah age will be y plus n years in past and years
Past not
ago.
I'm asking. After 7 years. After 7 years, what will be her age? Right now, she is Y years. After 7 years, what will be her age?
After 7 years. After 7 years.
Right now, see. Right now, Sarah's age is Y years. 7 saal baad. If right now your age is 10 years. After 7 years, what will be your age?
Ma'am, 12.
Arre, 7 beta. Right now you are 10 years old. I'm saying you are right now 10 years old. After 7 years, what will be your age?
Ma'am, 17.
17. So what you have done?
Ma'am, plus.
Yeah. So here also right now Sarah age is Y. After 7 years plus 7. Y plus 7 will be the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I have the board? This is B part first. Y plus 7 indicates Sarah's age after 7 years. Okay. Now in the second part, They are asking y minus 3. What y minus 3 represents? What y minus 3 represents? Past, right? 3 साल पहले की बात हो गई ना. -3 they are saying. So Sarah's age before indicates Sarah's 3 years ago. Indicates Sarah's age 3 years ago. If 3 years ago, पीछे 3 साल पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं. 3 years ago. Now y plus 4 whole 1 by 2. What is it representing? Y plus 4 whole 1 by 2. Y plus 4 whole 1 by 2. What does indicate? What does this indicate? Sarah's age after 4 years, 4.5 years. Sarah की age 4.5 years. After 4.5 years, what will be her age? 4 whole 1 by 2 क्या represent करेगा? 4 is a whole number and half. So 4.5 years. 4.5 साल बाद सारा की एज क्या होगी? After 4.5 years. Okay? Y minus 2 whole 1 by 2. What does this indicate? Sarah's age. Sarah's age. Yes, Saksham, can you answer me? 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 1 by 2. What does that represents? क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है ये? Come on. Yes, Saksham, unmuted. Sarah's
Yes,
age.
ma'am.
What does this 2 whole 1 by 2 represents?
Ma'am, it indicates 2.5.
2.5 years ago. 2.5 साल पुरानी बात. 2.5 years ago. It's representing. Okay? It's representing 2.5 years ago. Given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may 2n upon 2 show? In the C part, here n means number of students who like football. N means number of students like football. So 2n will represent twice the number of football players. Twice the number of football players. Okay? It will represent twice the number of football players. And n minus 2, sorry, n upon 2 represents half the number of football players. Half the number of football players. That half, that 2n number of students who like football here. and 2 and twice the number of football players, and then upon 2 half the number of football players.